Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to see your password, Facebook password on your smartphone. So you'll not able to see your password Facebook application, so you have to go Google Chrome and you must log in on Google Chrome, and you have to save your password, otherwise it's not possible. So then you can see three dot, simply tap on the three dot and click here on the settings, then click here password manager, then search here on search password Facebook then you have to enter your login password if you did it, and after that you can see your password. Also click on the icon, then your password will be refilled. So this way you can know your password, Facebook password, and every website password, but you must save on your browser first, otherwise it's not possible. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. Today's no more, and see you in the next video.